Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this set of Kansei KNP wheels. Specifically we're going to open one box. So I just want to show you guys how this wheel comes packaged and what you should expect after buying any set of KNPs or any other set of Kansei wheels for that matter. So we're gonna open the first box. Open the first parts of the box. It says aims at development of products by translating the customer's psychological feelings and needs into the domain of product design. So this is just a phrase from Kansei. You do get this Kansei sticker. So Kansei on this is just a warning paper. And then, in order to get the wheel out, you would remove this. So it's foam shield. Okay, so there's this plastic. Okay, so there's this plastic piece that goes around the rim of the wheel. That's basically, I would say, to protect it from any hits it could take. Maybe the box falls, and then that's holding the shield in place as well. And then you take this off and you have yourself a KNP wheel, which is the model. Okay, so you have yourself a KNP wheel, and it is a 17x9 plus 22 offset. The hub pattern is 5x114.3, and the finish is gunmetal. So this is what the wheel itself looks like when you take it out of the box. You have a better idea of what it looks like when the light hits it. So you can see there's a couple details here that I want to go over with you guys, but this is pretty much what you expect when you're buying a wheel from Kansei. As far as the quality, I would say is definitely high quality. I like how the wheel looks. Hopefully we will be installing these on the Prelude project soon. Okay, so just to be 100% correct, it is gunmetal, but Kansei calls it gloss gunmetal. And as you can see, definitely a very glossy wheel. So this wheel, being the 17x9, does weigh 22.8 pounds. A reason why I decided to go with the KNP over the other Kansei wheels was because of the concave aspect of this wheel. You can see that the center is kind of a little bit deeper inside the wheel, and then the spokes come out at an angle like this. That I felt like added a little bit more of aggression to the wheel, at least for my taste. And also, this is a stepped lip wheel, which means it has a stepped lip right here. I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit more detail, but I don't know, I kind of like the design of a stepped lip. And also the affordability that this wheel gives the buyer, because I wanted a wheel that I at least liked looking at, but I didn't have enough money to spend on very high-end wheels. So I felt like this wheel gave me both. It was affordable, and it was a wheel that does look good. I've seen it on many different cars and models of specific brands. So that's why I decided to go with the Kansei wheel. So these are the reasons why I chose the Kansei KNP wheel. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions for me, just leave it in the comments below. Hopefully soon, these wheels will be mounted on the Prelude project, and we will see firsthand how these wheels actually look on that chassis itself. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.